channel. It's Mireya, that's me. Today I have a craft for you, sort of like a home decor for Halloween type thing. I keep saying a lot. Sorry. Okay, I'm gonna try not to say that. So I found these cute little things at Goodwill. They were about, this one was like $2.99 and then like $3.99 and then like $4.99, which is like totally absurd, totally weird that they kind of increased $1. Like there was a huge one, but I didn't really, I just wanted like these three. So whoever has the lonely one over there at Goodwill, I'm sorry. But I originally thought about doing these into a pumpkin. Like I was gonna spray paint this one, I was gonna spray paint it orange, and then this one black, and do a, what's it called, a pumpkin face on it. But I completely changed my vision until a Jack and Sally and the Oogie Boogie theme.
Oogie Boogie.
¿Qué te dije? Okay, if you're gonna be in it, you gotta be quiet, okay?
Because you have to talk?
Yes, I have to talk.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. So this one is gonna be my Jack. So he's gonna be all white, and then the top is gonna be a black. And then this is gonna be my Sally. So we're gonna have the teal container with the red hair, you know, the red top, and we're gonna do her little decals in colors in paint. So I got some paint here.
The white one.
And this is gonna be my Oogie Boogie. He's gonna be green, and he's gonna have a black lid with his black, you know, cutout face on it. The only thing that you would obviously need is $50 worth of spray paint. Okay, I had some of these. Like I had the white and the black. Obviously, is very standard to have in case you're doing a lot of projects. So I went and bought the teal, the green, and the red. And I also bought some of these. These are for enamels. These are for the, you know, like the glass, which is this. So these were like $1.29, which I think that is what I have imagined in my brain. So I already did like a hard copy like on my computer, because if you have the Silhouette cameo machine, then you know that you can do a lot of things on there, like crafting, like paper crafting. You can do just a lot of like t-shirts and stuff like that. So I used just a square, and I kind of like mapped out how I wanted like the colors, and then I went out and got the colors that I didn't have. So that way I kind of knew what I was looking for, instead of me like, oh well, I don't know if I should paint this teal or this red. Like it kind of it makes it easier for me because I'm more of a visual person. Like I'm not like, oh yeah, that would look good, and then in my mind it looks good, and then when I do it, not so good. So that is what I have planned for these. I am very excited because I love Nightmare Before Christmas. Like that is, I really love that movie, and just Jack Skellington and Sally, like I really love them. So I'm hoping that this will be I hope this will come out just like I want. So yes, we're gonna start spray painting all of these. There I go with the arms again. So we're gonna go and spray paint these. I don't know if I'm gonna do it outside in the garage. I would really like to do it inside, but you can't, so we're gonna do it outside. All right. back to my channel. It's me, it's Mireya. So these are the spray painted jars that I did Friday. So this is my Jack Skellington one. It came out good. Here's Sally, and this is Oogie Boogie. So now that I have completely painted these to the color that I needed, I cut out some decals. This is my Oogie Boogie, who's gonna go right here. I'm obviously going to paint it with my black paint. This is just a decal, like a stencil that I'm gonna use. If you have the Cameo, you can do these on your Cameo. You know, just this is regular vinyl, 651 vinyl, the Oracle brand. So that's that, and this is my Jack Skellington and my Sally. I haven't took out the inside, like the eyes and everything yet. I haven't done that. I was gonna show you guys how I do that, which is super simple. I'm hoping that the paint that I'm gonna use will adhere to the spray paint. If not, then I will be sanding it down and just putting the decals on here. Would be the eyes and the mouth, and I'll just be putting on here like the regular writing. So yes, that's what I'm planning on doing. Hopefully it comes out like I want. Some of the sides are kind of like rough. I don't know why or how it happened, but this isn't as green as it looks. It's his color because he's kind of like a dark greenish color. So I am going to finish doing these, and you can see how I do them, and then we'll see the final product. Okay, follow me. Go first. It's hot in here. Okay, Oogie. When I took the stencil off, it like kind of took some of the spray paint off. So like right there. And I tried to fix it, like kind of like color match it, but it didn't work. And then he's kind of like, his eye doesn't look as good as I thought it would look. But so there he is. And then Jack, like my stencil obviously wasn't that, I had a lot of difficulties putting down his stencil because it curves and stuff, which was, I hate dealing with curved like cups and objects like that because that shit is not that good on it. But this is him. This is him. See? I mean, he doesn't look that bad from far away, but if you're like, damn girl, you fucked up, you can see. But that's him right there. I might just like kind of sand it down and just kind of like sand out maybe his face, and then put a stencil over it, maybe spray paint it. I think that would be a lot easier. I don't know why I didn't think of it. I just figured that it would be easier for me to paint over it, which clearly it wasn't. And here's Miss Sally. She looks so cute, but, and again, her stencil right here, I don't know if you can see it, it peeled off. So and then I tried to like paint her lips with the multi-surface, like this one, and it didn't turn out as I hoped. So I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with her. I think I'm just gonna also use vinyl, just put vinyl over it, and just, she looks so cute though. Like I just gotta, like the white, this has to be white, and then the black pupil obviously. And I think that's the only thing that she needs is her white pupils, or her white eyeballs. And she will be set. And she's so cute. Like, I don't know. I'm just so like, I'm kind of like sad about it because I don't want to fuck it up too much and then it ain't fixable, you know? So yes, so stay tuned and see what I do. I don't know, I'm not sure. Love them. I really, really love them. No matter if, you know, I have messed up, like I could always redo them, but who has the time? Because I sure don't, because it took me almost like 5 days to do these and I don't have no more time right now. Like I'm kind of done and over. I'm over this. So yes, if you have found something like this at your Goodwill, you can make them into pumpkins. You can paint this black and this orange, or vice versa, and then put some lines in there. Like you can do so many things with jars or with anything you find. Like Pinterest is like the best place to get a lot of inspiration from, and you don't have to do everything exact. You know, you can do your little twist on it, do it the way you want. That's the point of being crafty and being able to do things that you like. Like this is, I love this, and it's cute and I love it, and I'm happy how they came out. I could be happier, you know, I could be happier, but it's all right. Yes, well, thank you so much for watching my video. I know that it's kind of all over the place. I'm trying to work on that, just to speak slower and to just take my time. And my battery is dying. Why? My battery's dying. Okay, but yes, this is the finished product. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please become my subby. Thanks. Have a great rest of your week, and I will see you on my next video. Or you can follow me on Instagram. It's called It's Mireya with 3 S's. Thank you. Bye. It's Tuesday. This is the finished look of my jars, my custom Nightmare for Christmas jars. They're not really for cookies because I painted the inside of it, and you know, spray paint just isn't very food safe. So yes.